if X is a symbol and A is one of its attribute, then X dot A denotes value at node X. Attributes may be numbers, strings, references, or data types, etc. So attributes are nothing but they may be a data type or a number or a string or anything. They are termed as an attributes. So we have different types of attributes. So coming to types of attributes, we have two types of attributes. One is synthesized attribute and the other is inherited attribute. So synthesized attribute. If a node takes value from its children, then it is called as synthesized attribute. So the meaning of synthesized attribute is nothing but if we consider a node and if it is taking the values from its children, then it is called as an synthesized attribute. For example, consider A tends to B, C, D. Here A is called as the parent and B, C and D are called as the child nodes. So here A dot S is equal to B dot S, A dot S is equal to C dot S, A dot S is equal to D dot S. Here A is the parent and B, C, D are the children. So here parent node A is taking values from its children B, C and D. So this is called as the synthesized attribute. Then here what is this S? This S is an attribute associated with the symbols A, B, C and D. So synthesized attribute is nothing but if a node takes the values from its children, then it is called as an synthesized attribute. And the next is inherited attribute. If a node takes values from its parent or siblings, then it is called as an inherited attribute. So for example, consider A tends to B, C, D. Here A is called as the parent node and B, C and D are called as the children nodes. Now C dot I is equal to A dot I. C dot I is equal to B dot I. C dot I is equal to D dot I. So here A is a node, B, C, D, these are all the nodes. So here we have considered the node C. So C is taking the values from its parent node, that is A. And again we have considered the node C. Here it is taking the value from its sibling B, node B. And next we have considered again C. Here it is taking the value from its sibling node D. That means inherited attribute is nothing but if a node takes value from its parent or its siblings, then it is called as an inherited attribute.